My food, his food, empty seat.
He's going to find out in editing and he's going to be outraged.
Ain't my problem if you're not here.
Okay, we just had a massive lunch. We've got 3.5 hours left of the day and 2 passes still to do. Let's get going. Okay. Right, so we're following a diversion. Shouldn't be too long. It's bloody warm. Out of the group, I'm probably the slowest rider. I'm not a speed demon. Those guys love it, so we let them crack on, and me and Kat stay behind and use the excuse that it's because we like to see things and film things for you guys. And really, we just can't corner as quickly as those. We do all right, but they got the bikes for it. They're not Harley. I prefer my bike any day. So they crack on. We just tell them how many miles I've got left. And then we catch them up. So yeah, it's good. It's a good, healthy balance. Oh fuck me! Yeah, almost just stepped in front of everyone.
Look at the beautiful cows. We have a little scratch with the cow because they're amazing. Is that nice? Is that nice? You got itchy ear? You got itchy ear? Oh, you're so cute.
Why did we stop?
Hello.
What? Why'd you stop?
Huh?
Why'd you stop?
Just stop the bus.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this is a mini bus. So there's room for your Judaism sticker over there. Have you got one?
I've always got a Judaism sticker, mate. Where are we?
We're in Sulk Pass.
Sulk Pass.
S-O-L-K Pass, yeah.
Sulk
The
Pass.
sign for it's around the corner on the right.
Right. Yeah. We can go now, guys. I'll put the sticker on. Can you remember what this place is called?
It is Knucklestrasse. Knucklestrasse?
We'll put it out.
Going for a wee. What?
Thanks, babe. Telling the viewers you're going for a wee, are you?
Yeah. They care, don't they?
They do, Key. Right. Just a push.
Thank you. You want a photo, don't you?
Today's been a very good day so far. Road's been great. I even scraped my pegs a little bit on one of the passes. I'm very proud of that. I know it's not a big deal to many, but to me, it's quite a big deal. I'm not very good on corners. Oh, there goes a peg. I'd like to know that I'm still giving it a good effort. It's quite nice, this trip, because I've had very little to do with planning it. Nathan is team leader, so the routes are quite a nice surprise. So we have about 20 miles left to go, about an hour left I think. 23 miles left to go. Get there about 40 minutes. So it's not bad. Tomorrow we're supposed to go to Slovenia, but it's supposed to be raining, and so we're mixing the days up. So we're doing a shorter day tomorrow, and then on Monday it's supposed to be a lot sunnier and warmer. So we're going to do Slovenia then and go to Lake Bled. I think after yesterday being such a late day, people needed the small detour today and a bit of a shorter day tomorrow. So yeah, no, it's been good. I'm glad I've got some drone footage, seen some things. It's been great. Everyone seems quite well, quite happy. But the day's not over yet. When the last hour looks like this, it ain't that bad, is it? Right, team.
That's weird.
Oh shit, son. Thank you very much. Oh, fuck off.
I don't think we're at the top.
We
I think we're going over there.
Stole your limelight.
Because looking at the map, we're not even in the squiggly bits yet. I don't think it's the top.
I didn't even get the same as Joe.
Oh, he wants to be at the top,
I mean,
mate.
it's nice, but
It's like a whole fucking drone battery on there.
it's really nice, but no, I think we got more.
Yeah, no, don't interrupt. Captain's got a joke.
Coming in.
Do you want to ring my bell?
Is that your joke?
Please
Oh, sweetheart, we need to
sorry,
get you.
Sorry, we need to leave her.
I am fucking hilarious. I was being cute.
Where's that going?
On a Christmas tree?
Okay,
On the
good.
back of your bike?
I thought we were going to turn on the back of the bike.
Don't you need a road bell? That's a thing, isn't it?
Shut it.
Road bell for the
The thing that you hang up.
Shut up. You happy?
I'm happy. I've got my little cowbell.
Is it a Christmas tree decoration?
It's gonna be.
Well, then that's fine.
Tie it to your drone and fly around.
Will you?
Spreading
Shut up.
Christmas tree.
Nailed it.
I just wanted to say, I was in love with my bike before, but I feel like these past couple of days I've really fallen in love even more with my bike. Norway, this bike got me through Norway, and it's so comfortable, it can do long range work. And no, I'm still not great on corners, but these past couple of days I really feel like I've just like gone up a couple of notches with the cornering. It's like it's just clicked and it just makes sense, and I'm just really happy. Like, this is what, day 4, so hopefully like, I can get more and more practicing and get better and better. I'm not a speed demon. I don't want to go like race around track knees down or anything like that, but that whole thing of hitting a corner nice and smooth and it all just kind of all going in and making all sense, I've never really appreciated it because I've always been so fucking dog shit. So it's always, I kind of get it. I kind of get it now. Maybe I should be paying more attention to shit and not trying to be better. We are 2.5 miles away from the accommodation. You can turn up at 7:30. That's still quite late, but it's not the worst time. This is base camp. Cat, you are clear for exit. How you feeling, Cat?
Pretty.
I've offered to carry Nathan's crash helmet, and people who don't put their clips together on their crash helmet to hold it, they're psychopaths. You're a psychopath. Oh. Balcony as well. Okay, we are back. It is the end of the day. Tomorrow we're having a switch around of the days. We're not heading to Slovenia tomorrow, it'll be the day after. We're going to go to a zoo tomorrow, see a panoramic, that's cat flushing the toilet. So we're going to go to a zoo tomorrow, see a panoramic route, and yeah, take it from there. It should be an early-ish, not so much of a long day tomorrow. Yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. So thanks for watching, think about subscribing, and don't forget, shave your balls, no face. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. How did you think about today?
Oh, I enjoyed it today.
It was good, wasn't it? How did you feel about us getting pegs down on the bike? It's pretty good, wasn't it?
I understand why you're excited. I understand why you're excited. I don't like it.
Do you think we should check to see if they've got a spare room for my massive testicles?
Got the ones in my cabinet.